Hi, welcome to Kinver Canopies repair kit video, showing you how to get the best out of your repair kit. First of all, I've got a hole in my cover. My fitting's pulled out. Someone's crashed into me. What do I do? Nice and simple. Buy one of our kits. You should get gloves, tape, TUFF tape, spatula and a coloured patch that matches the colour of your material colour. You'll get 4 of these patches of different shapes. Nice and simple. Turn this into an adhesive patch. First of all, take your cover, put a little bit of tape on the inside to stop the glue coming through. Next, take your patch, your glue, pop it on, and making sure you have your gloves on because you don't want to get covered in sticky. Spread the glue to the outside of the patch. You're better doing this on a surface rather than on your cover, so you can spread it to the very outsides of the patch, making sure the whole patch is covered. This way I can roll off the edge of the patch and onto my cover, onto my surface without getting glue on the cover. So that is now glue all over the patch. And simply take the patch, place it on the affected area, and then apply pressure and leave to dry for 12 hours. And it should look something like this. Here's one I prepared earlier. Now, you can either leave it as it was with the hole behind, like so, or stick an additional patch on the back for aesthetics. This patch is now fully stuck and flexible. So there you go, a nice simple patch repair. Alternatively, you can use the TUFF tape for a very quick and simple patch. Super strong, flexible material. Just place it on the cover, smooth out the edges, easing out the air bubbles as you go. A simple patch. Another way of using it, if you've got a rip in your cover, as such, you can just apply it neatly all over the cut. This will give you a strong seal. You can still see where it is, but it's fully waterproof. So perfect for a quick repair on site. Job done.